This is Predator Offroad, built in South Africa. We design and manufacture modular rack systems and load solutions for real-world use. Not for show, for actual conditions. We build in an environment that exposes weaknesses early. Heat, corrosion, load, terrain. If it doesn't survive here, it doesn't leave the factory. Rule number 1. Everything starts with our design and engineering team. In-house, hands-on, close to the build. They're not working in isolation. They are on the floor, testing, refining, solving real constraints. Every bracket, every mounting point, every interface, designed with load, access, and integration in mind. Because good ideas don't matter if they can't be built and used in the real world. We don't sell parts, we build systems, roof racks, bed racks, bed slides, storage solutions, accessories. Everything works together from day one, no compromises. Every decision comes back to load, access, usability, because capacity means nothing if you can't use it. We build for people who use their vehicles every day. Overlanders, tradesmen, working builds, not occasional use, real conditions. This is backed by our people who build and stand behind the product. Engineers, fabricators, installers, and partners who operate the same way. In Europe, that's Genesis Imports. Not just supply, but installation, integration, and support on the ground. Because systems only work when the people behind them do. Now we're bringing that into Europe with intent through Genesis Imports, a full-service platform covering distribution, installation, and logistics. This isn't about shipping a product, it's about building capability in the market. We're not here to compete on price. We compete on engineering, on durability, on system design. If you're building vehicles to work, come see us at the Abenteuer Allrad on the Genesis Import stand this weekend in Bad Kissingen, Germany. See you there.